First of all, thank you very much. And we know that we are calculating measuring the poverty of statistics in Turkey, and two data sources and also two indicators. And then we calculating poverty statistics since 2002, absolute poverty and also relative poverty. But we saw that during this year, time series all time, and it is not enough to measure poverty, and then we should focus on also multi-dimensional poverty. That's why we start to study in multi-dimensional poverty since 2011. And first of all we do research, of course, and the literature, the other issue, and we discuss our partners and the related department, and also we work together with the international organizations like AFI and also World Bank and Eurostat. And then afterward we made some suggestion, methodological issue to our ministries, and now we end of the studies, and we wait some new figure because we have the survey, but it's not enough questions to calculate multi-dimensional poverty. Now our situation, and then we need the other country experience and also best practice, and then we want to learn them their experience to use our studies. I mean, before 2 years ago, we don't know about the multi-dimensional poverty. It is really new area for us and also our staff. And then we read a lot of things, but I mean the MPI and also OFI, they teach our staff how can we calculate it, aim, and also their suggestion. That's why we benefit a lot of the studies. And I said before, in terms of that because of the problem, structural language, etc., are it's same in some countries. That it is important to develop a regional working group, and particularly work to set a forum for countries could be useful for beginners like us, or exchange experience and between the practical countries and beginners in the meeting, seminar and conference. That time I think the network is very important to talk the common language, all the countries. That's I think very important, and then the standard, maybe improve the standard questionnaire and the methodology and other things. It means that if you sum up, and that I think network important to create common language all countries.